Try it.
That's Leon's. I'm not eating that.
Try it, Ollie. Ah, you broke it. Eat it.
No.
Yes, come on.
I'll eat the bottom.
Okay, eat the bottom. Come on.
Get that out of there.
Come on. All right.
She said.
Yeah, yeah. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, do the flaps, do the flaps, do the flaps, do the flaps. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, do the flaps, do the flaps, do the flaps, do the flaps.
Welcome back to another video. All right, guys. So today, I know we're late, but we've been busy taking care of business. So we're still gonna make our
Yeah,
video.
we went to work to help some people.
We're still gonna make our video, right? I wanted to make a video for Easter, but we did it a little late. That's okay. All right. So we are going to make. We are going to make cream
Cheese.
puff pastry. Carrot cream cheese puff pastry, guys. That's what we're gonna make. So we are going to get into it. Ariana, put this back in. All right. So guys, I'm going to show you the ingredients. Very simple, quick recipe, fun recipe for the kids. All you need is carrot, right? Carrot. What's the matter with you? You're gonna press it soon. It's not on. Okay? All right. So guys, I'm going to show you your ingredients that we're gonna need. We're just gonna need carrots. We're gonna need cilantro. We're gonna need cream
What's
cheese.
cilantro?
This thing right here. We're gonna show everyone soon, right? We're gonna need carrots, cream cheese, cilantro, and
Yucky
Aliyah.
cilantro.
And Aliyah as the dough sheet. You're just gonna use a little knife or a little pizza cutter to cut it and just wrap it around the carrot. You're gonna bake it for 15 minutes and you're gonna come mix the carrot with your cream cheese and you're gonna put it in there and you're gonna make carrot. You complain to, oh, she wants her carrot. Go ahead and get your carrot.
I don't carrot.
Give your sister carrot.
I want a carrot by myself.
All right, guys. I'm gonna do a short here.
Carrot.
Carrot. She's eating her carrot. Okay, this is all we'll need. Carrot. Cream cheese.
It's a dough.
Cilantro and the dough sheet. And we'll get right into the video, all right? All right, guys. So we are going to get our cookie dough open. Then we're going to wrap it around our carrots. Now it's already shaved and washed. Although the kids are messing with it. All right? So let's see if I can find the beginning. Okay, here we go. Okay. Let's peel this off. Hang on, it's not time to pop it yet. Okay, all right. So both of us, we gotta squeeze. Come on, Aliyah, put your hand. Not right there. All right, you can't hold it right there. That's where it's gonna pop from. Aliyah, ready? One. Not right here. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh boy. Okay, let's try to peel some more. Oh, we didn't peel it enough. Oh, okay. All right, here. Let's try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Squeeze.
It's hot.
It was up there. Unroll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Oh, hang on, we're running out of space.
That looks like a blanket.
Now, guys, we gotta get it as straight. No, don't put it on the counter. All right, we gotta make it as straight as possible, okay, guys? All right, so what? Get your nose out of here. I cannot find my pizza cutter, so guys, we're gonna have to try to cut this as best as possible.
Whoa.
Right? Because we're going to wrap it around our carrots. Right?
Yeah.
So we have, how many carrots do we have? Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So we need to make 6 plus. That's 2, 3, before you act, okay? Alright guys, so we are going to take each of our dough sheet and we're going to wrap it around our carrots. We're going to put it in the oven and we're going to bake it for about 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Alright guys? Alright guys, so let's get this done as best as possible. Alright, so listen, mommy's going to do one first, okay? Aliyah, you get the smaller one. Mommy try the bigger one, okay? I know you always want to get the big one. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it like this. You see, mommy? Wrap, 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 wrap. Hang on. So mommy's doing the first one, guys. Yes, you're going to do the second one. You're going to do the other one this way. So guys, that's all we're doing. We're just going to wrap it around the carrot, right?
Yeah.
It's a big carrot. As you have a smaller carrot, you'll stop it about halfway. Then we're just gonna put it on the baking sheet, right? Just put this one long way. All right, Ariana. Well, Aliyah, you go. Ready? All right, pick it up, and then we're gonna. Since it's a longer one, hang on. Since it's a longer one, guys, let's cut it in about half. How about we do that? About right here, we can finish it. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. Okay. Here. Hold it. No, not that one. We're going to use this side, okay? So put the carrot in this hand. Hold it all the way up here. And then we're going to take this. And we're going to... Ready? Yeah, okay? So we got to turn it. Come on. Turn, baby, turn. Turn, baby, turn. Turn, baby, turn. Hang on, I can't see with your hand in the way. All right. So turn, baby, turn. So continue to turn your carrot, Aliyah. Turn, baby, turn. Okay, finish it. Finish turning it. Wrap it all the way around. All right. And then Aliyah, you're gonna take it. Hang on, let's tuck this one under real good, okay? Tuck it. Then you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it right here under. Right here. Put it right here, Aliyah. Okay. Alright guys, so you get the idea, right? Ariana wants to do hers. Hang on. Alright, Ariana. Gotta cut yours too. You gotta leave a little section because you gotta put that cream cheese in it. So you gotta leave a little section out, okay? Yeah, mommy did hers too long. It's life isn't fair, my darling. Come on. Here. Okay. Alright. So Ariana's gonna do hers. You gotta hold the top of the carrot, okay? And then put this start at the bottom. Ready? All right. Okay. Turn, baby, turn slowly. Don't do it fast. Slow. Turn, baby, turn. Turn, baby, turn. Turn, baby. I can't see. Turn, baby. Okay, come on. Turn, baby, turn. All right, guys, you get the idea. So we'll get finished with our other carrots, and then we'll show you what it looks like before we put it in the oven, and we'll be right back, okay? All right. Turn. All right, guys, so we are going to put some egg on top of the pastry before we put it in the oven, and then we'll put it in there. Let you guys see what it looks like. Get it out after 15 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we put it in the oven. It's gonna be there for 15 minutes. So 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, and then we'll be right back. All right, guys. All right, guys. Kids are here making their own they're making their own little thing down here, imaginary thing. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like. So what we're gonna do is we are going to take the carrot out of it, right? And then we're going to get our cream cheese that we stretch over here. It's bad manners to stretch over food, guys. That's what I thought when I was growing up. So this is our cream cheese right here. We are going to take our carrots out of the little dough, and then we're going to get a grater, is what I call it, and just grate the carrot in the cream cheese, mix it together, and then we are going to put the cream cheese in here, and then we're going to get a cilantro. We're going to rinse our cilantro off and put it in there, and we are going to have our carrot cream cheese puff, guys. I don't know if you can hear me. The kids are always making eyes and fussing against each other. So guys, let's do that. We're going to get our grater and we're going to do, alright guys, we'll be right back. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the grater. We're just going to grate our carrots right in the cream cheese. Grater. Kids are taking out all my baking stuff one by one, but they're going to pack it up one by one. Okay guys, so you get an idea. We're going to grate the carrots into the cream cheese. Then we're going to mix it, right? Alright guys, so what we're going to do is, now you can add salt or pepper to this and mix it. I prefer not to. So Arina wants to mix it. She wants to get a pen help. How you going to get up here? Stand on the chair. Stand on the chair. Now Arina is going to mix this. Some of you gotta hold it properly. And so guys, we have our cilantro, right? So what we're going to do,
It looks like
we are going to take our carrot shaped, yes, we're going to take our carrot shaped dough, and we are going to mix it a little better. Ariana, can you guys see the idea? Sometimes you start something, it doesn't look like it's going to turn out the way you would imagine.
I'm
You want to do it. Okay, let me mix it up, stir, stir, stir. Mix it up, stir, stir, stir. Alright, okay. Alia wants to try and mix. Be careful. Ready? Come on, take your face out here. Okay, alright. Let mommy finish mixing, okay? Okay, I'll do my best with your shirt. We'll talk about your shirt later. Alright guys, I'm gonna not yet. It's not time to eat it yet, okay? Alright, so we're just gonna put this, not too much, right? So here we go, and then we are going to put our cilantro on top of it. Stuff it down in here real good. Stuff it down there real good. Aaliyah. Okay. Alright. So since Aaliyah broke, this is gonna be Aaliyah's. Come on. Since you broke it. They want to do everything, guys. No, I'm going to break another one. Because I won't have any to show off. Okay? Alright, ready? Can you scoop this in for mommy? Okay, mommy, this is gonna be yours because you broke that one. Okay, can you put the cilantro in there? Alright guys, so you get the idea. We're going to put the cream cheese mixed in the pastry, and then we're going to put the cilantro in there. So stuff it in the top. Stuff it down. Alright. Okay. Alright, now it's Ariana's turn. Alright guys, so we'll be right back when we're finished to let you see the final product. No, you just did one. It's Ariana's turn, okay? Say cheese. Alright guys. Say bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys.